Two smart doorbells, two different strengths. Which one fits your home best? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In today's video, we're comparing the SwannBuddy 4K video doorbell and the Ring Wired Doorbell Pro 3 to see which one offers better smart home security. From video quality to smart features and performance, we'll break down the key differences to help you choose the right one. Let's dive in. Comparative analysis. Talking about the materials and build, the SwannBuddy 4K features a compact IP56 rated weather-resistant design with a built-in rechargeable battery, allowing flexible indoor or outdoor installation. The Ring Wired Doorbell Pro, however, has a slimmer metal faceplate design but requires permanent hardwired installation to an existing doorbell system. The SwannBuddy 4K records in 4K resolution and offers a wide 165-degree vertical field of view for full coverage of your doorway. The Ring Wired Doorbell Pro also delivers 4K video, but provides around a 140-degree by 140-degree viewing angle with enhanced zoom and advanced motion detection features. The SwannBuddy 4K runs on a rechargeable 6,500 mAh battery and can also be connected to existing doorbell wiring if needed. In contrast, the Ring Wired Doorbell Pro does not have a battery option and must be powered continuously through a 16 to 24-volt AC hardwired connection. The SwannBuddy 4K supports local storage with an included 32GB microSD card, along with optional cloud backup through the Swann Security app. Meanwhile, the Ring Wired Doorbell Pro mainly relies on cloud storage through the Ring app and offers additional smart features like advanced motion alerts and smart home integration. The SwannBuddy 4K video doorbell was launched in 2024 with an estimated starting price of around $199, targeting users seeking premium 4K video quality and local storage flexibility. On the other hand, the Ring Wired Doorbell Pro 3 was released in 2025 with a starting price of approximately $229, positioning it as a high-end wired smart doorbell with advanced Ring ecosystem integration. The SwannBuddy 4K video doorbell is ideal for users who prioritize 4K video quality, local storage, flexible installation, and AI-powered monitoring features. Meanwhile, the Ring Wired Doorbell Pro 3 is better suited for homeowners who want a fully wired solution, reliable cloud-based security, advanced motion detection, and deep integration with Ring and smart home devices. Technical specifications. Like, share, and subscribe. Gadgeto Lab has plenty more smart tech comparisons and reviews coming your way, so don't miss what's next.